Hi children, how are you all? Today we are going to learn one interesting topic. So are you ready to learn with me? Yes. What happens when you see a mosquito sitting on your hand? You quickly shake your hand. Am I right? What happens when you eat an orange? You feel a tangy taste. How do you feel when your team is about to win? You feel excited. Sight of food makes your mouth filled with water. Did you ever had the experience, children? Solving logical problems, learning a lesson. Quickly tell me, children, 9 nines are how much? Did you ever think how you are able to recollect the answers? Why do your eyes blink without you even thinking about it? Where do dreams come from? You breathe automatically. Do you know how you are able to do all these actions? Every single action that you perform is because of the coordination of the nervous system. So today we are going to discuss one of the most important organ systems of the human body, that is nervous system. The nervous system is responsible for the regulation of all the activities of a human body, like digestion, respiration, and all our daily activities like hearing, solving a math problem, or learning a lesson. Let's understand the functions of the different parts of our nervous system. The nervous system is made up of the brain, the spinal cord, and the nerves. Let us discuss the major part of the nervous system, that is brain. The brain is the organ of thought and the control center of the human body. We think that we see with our eyes, but it's actually the brain behind everything that we see. Our eyes send signals to the brain, which interprets the signal, and then only we are able to see. Similarly, our skin sends signal to the brain, which interprets the signal, and then only we feel something hot, cold, rough, smooth, or anything. Understand, children? Let us discuss more in detail about brain. An adult human brain weighs about 1.4 kg and contains millions of tiny cells. Do you know, children? Brain works non-stop, taking and sending messages and making decisions. It is protected by a hard, bony skull. The space between the skull and the brain and also the inside of the brain is filled with a clear fluid, which works as a cushion and protects our brain from injuries. Do you know, children? Our brain is made up of 3 different parts: cerebrum, cerebellum, and medulla. The cerebrum. Cerebrum is the largest part of the brain. Its dome-shaped surface is covered with deep ridges and grooves. It controls our sense organs and is also responsible for our thinking and reasoning abilities. The cerebrum receives messages from the sense organs and sends back messages about what has to be done. In this picture, you can see a glass of water on a table. So first, your sense organ eye saw a glass of water. Your brain figured out that you need water to drink, and your brain sent instructions to your hand to hold the glass. Understand, children? Not only this, our thoughts, memories, intelligence, learning are also controlled by the cerebrum. It is the center of intelligence. Let us discuss the second most important part of the brain, that is cerebellum. The cerebellum is located at the back of the brain, just below the cerebrum. It coordinates the actions of the muscles, and makes them work together. It helps us to balance our body and keep us in an upright posture. If the cerebellum does not function properly, our body movements become jerky. Jerky is a condition in which a person makes fast movements that they cannot control himself, and these movements interrupt the person's normal movement or posture. That means the person cannot walk properly, sit properly, stand properly, and he can't hold anything also. Let us discuss the lowest part of the brain, that is medulla. It connects the brain to the spinal cord like a bridge. Medulla is in charge of all the functions of our body needs to stay alive, like respiration, digesting food, blood circulation, and heartbeats. It is active even when we sleep. We must get enough sleep to rest our brain. Do you know, children? The brain needs a continuous supply of blood and oxygen. A person faints if his heart is not able to send enough blood to his brain. Let us discuss some more facts about brain. Our brain uses approximately 20% of the total oxygen pumped around our body, and about 750 ml of blood pumps through our brain every minute. Each half of the brain controls the opposite half of the body. That means left side brain controls right side body parts and right side brain controls left side body parts. Understand, children? In this session, we discussed the major part of the nervous system, that is about brain. In next session, we will discuss the remaining parts of the nervous system. So watch this video lesson. After watching, read the textbook, underline the keywords and new words. Till then, bye. Have a great day.